In this demonstration, I will be scheduling 3 children from the same family for hygiene appointments on the same day using the group scan feature. I select group from the command bar. I confirm that this is the correct family by clicking OK, or optionally use Find to locate a different family. I will start by selecting one of my user-designed group scheduling buttons. In this example, I choose Child Pro, which will automatically populate the first 3 appointments with child pro fees. All will default to my first patient, but by using the drop-down, I can easily change the family member associated with each appointment. At this point, I can optionally adjust several other controls to better match the desired results. I will click OK to continue. The next dialog allows the user to select specific times of the day or days of the week. If a hygiene appointment is being scheduled, the start date will default to the most future recall date. Click OK. Available appointment start times will display in gray along with a number. This number correlates with the order of which the appointments were listed on the setup screen. I will choose the block of times where I wish to place the appointments. Double-click on any of the time slots to display the detailed view. All appointments belonging to the group will display. I make all 3 appointments by double-clicking on any of the start times. For appointment tracking purposes, my system has been optionally set to require user identification. After all appointments have been saved, the system will display a full list of appointments for this family.